I guess I need to talk loudly. Let me see. Hey y'all, it's Victorious J here. Thank you so much for tuning in. For those that are new here, welcome. I'm Victorious J and I love to bring forth motivational videos and hair videos, lifestyle videos, and all of that jazz. So if you think that you're interested, go ahead and like this video and subscribe. And for those that have been here for a while, thank you so much for returning and clicking on this video. So I'm so excited to I had like a 3-series type of I guess wig reviews that I was having coming out, and this is part of the OUTRE Everywhere series. So I already reviewed number 1, and then I have Everywhere number 2, and I also have number 3 that will be in another video, so these won't be as lengthy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. This one here is Everywhere 2, and I have her in the color 1B. Like I said, I've been trying to get things that are more work appropriate, but they do come in a different variety of colors. I've been watching a lot of videos lately with OUTRE being very popular in the cinnamon spice color, especially on those chocolate girls. They've been looking really, really good. And they have some front facing color framing face colors as well that they have on here, and I'm pretty sure that there's probably a $2 to $4 upcharge, but I'll try to make sure that I list all of that down below. But like I said, I just got in the regular color, so these are actually starting out at $19.99, and that's why I jumped on it, because I was like, oh, I can get all 3 of them for 60 bucks. I'm trying to remember if I had to pay for the specialty color in one of the 3 that I got, but I'll do that in that particular video to show how much that actually costs. So I'm literally unboxing the wig as we speak, getting all the stuffings out, all the Z papers, and simply undoing this here. Y'all, my setup is in my other room with my big old pretty thing. I didn't feel like taking all this stuff down. It takes a lot to record. It takes a lot. So anyway, I'm going to show you the construction of the wig, which is very more like the first one that I reviewed as well. So I have the 2 combs right here in the front, and then the 1 comb in the back there. It does come with this soft lace up here, as well as baby hairs. Don't make me lie, because the last one, I think, yeah, it comes with baby hairs. You don't have to use them. I'm not that good at laying them down, so honestly, I just cut the lace off, throw some powder on it, and go. This is the parting space on there. It looks pretty good. I think all you have to do is just put some powder in there for my liking, my taste. I think they did pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. Right side part. Smooth. So this is her on first. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't realize this was the right side part. Ugh. I feel some type of way about right side parts, but that's just my preference. Okay, so I didn't tack her down. I didn't tack her down at all. If you want to put the baby hairs out, you can. And I actually can cut more if I want. Make sure this sucker even on correct. Let me make sure. Okay, so it is definitely on. Big head friendly. And you know, you could tack that down if you want, because it is white there. What I probably do is just cut some more of it off, to be honest. Yeah, I will cut some more of that off. Let me see. There we go. So we're going to take that down. I could. Okay, so I'll take my brush and I'm going to brush it into place. So I guess this is how she's looking. Okay, so not for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to tack it down because I have a couple other ones that I want to review, but this is how the hairline is looking. Like I say, it does have baby hair, so if you want to pull those out and do something to those, it's fine. But for whatever reason, I feel like I didn't have to do as much work with the Everywhere One wig. It was literally more of a plop and go, but it's camouflaging what I needed to camouflage. So even, you know, if you wanted to tuck it behind your ear, it looked like you could. That's my hair though. It's okay. I really thought it was gonna give me a little bit more oomph. And like I said, it could be because it could be because I just really not fond of a right side part. But it feels good. It's very silky, soft, soft lace. Cut that off, you saw. If it was another color, I think this would be really pretty as well. Definitely for $20, you can't go wrong. So I'm not disappointed in the price point at all, because I really think this is, you know, geared to your everyday, you know, type of hairstyle or wig. I don't know, y'all tell me what you think. Maybe it's the color. I don't know. But it is laying flat. I mean, you know, for wig slayers out there, you know what to do. But like I said, I didn't glue it or tack it down. This is how it's falling, and it's camouflaging because of this area here with the bang. So I feel like, you know, you don't need to, you know, do anything. I just put pattern apart. I think it looks pretty good as far as like the width of the part, because it looks white to me, and that's not good. But to fix that, you know, you can just take your powder, or you can take, you know, some concealer and just go up there, or even some foundation and just kind of, but this part right here is lifted right here, and you can see my hair right there. So if I were to wear this out, I probably would tack it down there, or have my hair slicked back to where it won't be as obvious. But like I said, for the purpose of this video, I won't do that this time. But I did not mean to let this be super long, but I just wanted to come before you and show you what I had. So in rating it, I may give it a 6, just because it's just an everyday bob. It just happened to be a right side part, and I'm not fond of that, so that's why I give it like a 6. But again, this is the Everywhere 2. This is in the color 1B, and this is by OUTRE. They have the other colors right there on the back, the specialty colors there, and this is the cinnamon I was talking about that a lot of the wig wearers have been going to in this from OUTRE. So I think that's about it. That's gonna wrap up this video. This is the front. This is the side. This is the back. And this is the other side. So I don't think that it's gonna tangle because of the length of the wig being a bob style. But you know, at the same time, depends on too how you take care of your wigs. You know, it is a synthetic unit, so it's gonna do what synthetic wigs do. Okay. So I think that's about it. It just wraps it up. I'm covered in hair from cutting all that lace and stuff off. But yeah, so y'all comment below, tell me what you think, give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, you know, that's cool too. So don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you so much for those who have been tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Victorious J is out.